I don't want to distract you from driving. What's up guys, it's your girl Hannah back with another video. So today we're gonna go thrifting and I'm really excited because I haven't been in a little bit and I'm excited to see what I can find.
Is it right here?
Yeah, it's right here. Take a left. My girl Bia is coming with me on the hunt. I think we're gonna go to like 3 different places. I kind of want to just look through the entire place and see what gems I can find. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me, and then later on I'm gonna try and see if I can put together some cute fits with what I got. Yeah, stay tuned guys. Yeah, so this thrift store definitely had copyrighted music playing in the background, so that means it's a voiceover time. So this is just me saying I'm actually in love with these trousers I found. I think I can make some cute fits with them. Then I tried on this skirt, and I don't know, I was just saying that's just too plain for me. It doesn't really do much. It was really cozy and soft though, but a no-go. Then I tried on these green pants, which I really loved the idea of them and how cute they are, but they're just too tight around my waist right there for my comfort. So those are another no-go, sadly. And then I tried on this shirt, and what I'm saying here is that I want to turn it into a spring shirt by cropping it more and cutting off the sleeves. And yeah, you guys will see how that turns out later. And then when I grabbed these off the rack, I was planning on just cutting them and making them into shorts, but then I tried them on and they're just way too baggy to even do that. So another no-go. And Goodwill time. Yeah, they were definitely playing Thank You Next, so another voiceover just for now, but this is me picking out all of the things that caught my interest and that I will be trying on. And this is me saying, let's see how this goes.
Getting down to business.
Okay, so I'm just so...
Outfit number 1. Yeah, if you cinched it.
I like them and I kind of want to get them and cut them, but they're just too big around the waist.
Kind of like the look where like jeans are really like
baggy.
Yeah.
Like I like that too, but I feel like this is like too much. Literally.
It looks like you've got a penis. It does.
Should I invest in something that takes
much
more work to fix it? That's the real question.
I say no. Sad boys. None of these jeans fit.
Well, don't say none yet.
Okay.
Damn.
Yeah.
I lost 17 pounds.
Hi, I signed up for Jenny Craig and I lost 42 pounds.
These are kind of baggy too.
They're like, I mean, if you were wearing these on the beach, they'd be really cute.
They would, yeah.
But I don't know, because it always
It's
bothers
like
me when
down.
jeans are like really loose.
Yeah, I've never shown so much hip with my jeans.
Yeah, it's not like the 2000s anymore. But
Yeah.
Dang, and like,
I'm not gonna lie.
okay.
Actually, like perfect.
Those are 10 out of 10. Wait, cut
maybe we
them,
can just
like-
roll them up. What if I just roll them up?
I don't know about that.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut them. Oh no. All the sag going on back here, we gotta cut them. I was thinking that if I was ever going to a pool party and it was gonna get cold at night, you know, summer night breeze, I could just, you know, throw this on over my bikini.
Or like
And it'd be the
camping.
perfect amount. Yes.
Like a cute little, just like, you know, cozy.
Yeah. And it's super quality. It's thick and soft. And I love my earthy tones, love my greens.
You're a green girl. I'm so excited. Oh, those are really cute.
Yeah.
Nice.
I like the perfect amount of tight around my butt and then the perfect amount of loose around my waist. Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
They're like Bermuda shorts.
Do you like that?
I don't know. I kind of do, but like, I actually feel like I might never wear them.
Bermuda shorts remind me of being in 4th grade.
Yeah, so they kind of remind me of being in 6th grade because that's when I had my Bermuda face. Okay guys, so this is an overview of everything we got. And we're gonna cut up all the pieces we're gonna cut. And we're gonna give you guys a little lookbook, right?
DIY.
Thrift flip. Okay, Bia, how should I cut these? She told me just now to keep the pockets out so I don't accidentally end up cutting those, which would be horrible. Or headless. So what we're gonna do is kind of mark right below where I want to cut them. I'm thinking like right there. Like right here. I don't know, I can't see my ass too big. Okay, let's see how this turns out.
I am going to be cutting this into a baby doll dress. I'm gonna be cutting these already really nicely frayed shorts right there, just so they're a little less Bermuda. Oh, Hannah, That was a good,
scared.
oh, Hannah. Oh wait, that looks good actually.
Why are you standing like that?
The show.
That reminds me of like Mrs. Doubtfire. Go cut her up. Oh, I think this would be cute. Let's manifest that shit.
I cut my dress and Joey really wanted to touch the scissors the whole time. Now he has a dress too and he seems to really like it.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that little thrift lookbook I put together, but I did want to sit down and tell you guys how much I actually spent. So first we went to a thrift store here that is just a, you know, normal thrift store. Everything that I got there was $17.42. This beautiful leather bag that was made in Italy for $7.97. Can we just take a moment though? She's a backpack, right? First of all, these straps are adjustable. There's a secret zipper in the back. Undo this. She folds out like this. Also, these sandals I'm in love with because I love the spring color. I'm gonna wear them today. It's Easter. They have like a 90s vibe, like the way that their foot is shaped. Those were literally $2.98, $3. This was literally 50 cents. It is like a baby blue and white gingham on the inside. The total at Goodwill was about $15. We went to Grey Dog, which is our favorite vintage boutique, and it is pretty expensive just because that's had them making their profit. But these are just secondhand, high quality vintage shorts, and those were $42. 17 plus 15 plus 42. Okay, I spent $74 on all of these things. Voila. I do encourage you guys to go thrifting more often with your friends. It can be really fun. You can find some really quality things. And that's what also I urge you to pay most attention to, is the things that are sustainable and the things you know that you won't get that old of and you can reuse and reuse. I love you guys and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you come back for the next one. Subscribe. I post videos every Monday and Thursday. Maybe hit the bell too. Become part of our notification squad. That's the best squad to be in, by the way. I love you guys. Have a beautiful day or night wherever you are. And yeah, goodbye. Farewell.